Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to look at JavaScript tutorial part 4. We are going to understand and learn how to define and declare class objects in JavaScript. We'll also understand property, methods, and function. After this session, you will be able to write or code class objects in JavaScript without taking any references. It can be a kind of by heart to you by the time. Let's quickly start with the practice session. So to start with, before we go on to the syntax and semantics of class objects, very important thing is the object declarations, where obj equal to open curly braces is a simple way to declare an object. Taking above declaration into considerations, we are going to define a where obj equal open and close curly braces and semicolon. Now in this block I am going to declare three methods: method underscore 1 colon function comma, not semicolon. Then next method 2 colon function comma, third method underscore 3 function open and close curly braces comma. Then we have something called property. We'll mark it as str details. Good to see you again. So here we go. So here is an object with three methods m1, m2, m3 separated by comma. So if you look at this construct, it is more or less similar to C# class declaration, and the construct is pretty simple. All you need to do is where obj equals open and close curly braces with semicolon, and inside that you declare method 1 comma method 2 comma method 3 and then a property without any semicolons or comma. If you want to end something, then this is the whole block is all about. Now I just put small changes. I'll just make a small changes here. I'll mention function, say f1. I'll give it some name to it. Then I'll go in next method. I'll give it as a function 2, and I'll keep this as a anonymous method. Now I'll put small changes here as well. I'll make this as a parameterized. Say I'll put n1 comma n2. It takes two numbers, and this is the different combinations or methods we can have it in the class objects of JavaScript. Now how do we call this? It's pretty simple. I will be writing obj method 1. Here we go. Obj dot method 2 with parameters say 3 comma 4, and then obj dot method 3. That's it. We're done. Above 3 invocations are valid, but calling calling this way of function f1 is invalid. So let's quickly look at the code that I have prepared for demo purpose. I have a design page, pure HTML page. It's a Visual Studio 2010 with all the references of JavaScript I have in it. To make it more simple, I have chapter4.js where I have used a jQuery document.ready, and then as I said earlier, to declare an object, we should always keep this semantics in our mind. So here it is. I have a object X with method A, B, C with function F1, F2, parameterized function F2, and the anonymous method without any name. And as I said, x.method A, x.method B, x.method C is a valid call as it depicts the encapsulation, and data abstraction. Now let's do Ctrl F5 and we'll see the output. So here it is. So M1 here, M2 here, anonymous method 3 here, variables can be defined here. Oops, I have changed this property, so I'll run once again. Okay, here we go. So method 1, method 2, anonymous method 3, and property can be defined here. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you like this quick 6-minute demo, please give your comments. I would like to hear from you. Thank you very much.